Hey there, I'm Katie Senich, and this is your Classworks Minute for today. Using Classworks groups, teachers can easily differentiate instruction for their groups of students based on which domains students need to work on. To access group, start in the Classes tab. Click on your class name. By default, you will be brought to the grouping page for your class. Select either Reading or Math. Select the testing grade level. By default, all domains for that subject will be selected. If desired, click on the domain dropdown to narrow down to a specific domain. Then, select your testing window. You will now see your students grouped together based on the results for all domains or the domains you selected.